In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link incidents to problems in Freshservice. Linking incidents to problems is a simple way to connect what your users are experiencing with the underlying root cause. It helps your team track patterns, reduce duplicate work, and keep stakeholders informed as you investigate and resolve issues. Let's walk through it clearly from start to finish so you can do it confidently every time. Start by opening the incident you want to link. From your Freshservice dashboard, head to the Tickets section, then choose List. This is where you'll see all your tickets in one place. If you're working with a lot of records, use filters or search to find the specific incident you're targeting. Once you've located it, click to open the incident details. Inside the incident, look for the Associations tab. This tab is designed to show connections between this incident and other related records, like problems or changes. Click Associations to bring up the options for linking. Now click the plus Associate button or open the Associate dropdown. Freshservice will give you two choices: create a new problem or link to an existing problem. Choose New Problem if you're confident this incident points to a fresh underlying issue that hasn't been tracked yet. Choose Existing Problem if you already know there's a problem record that covers this behavior, symptoms, or root cause. If you're creating a new problem, fill in the problem details with clarity and context. Provide a concise title that reflects the root cause you suspect or the broad symptom. Use the description to capture relevant error messages, affected services, and any patterns noticed across incidents. Set impact and urgency thoughtfully so prioritization is accurate, and include any tags or categories your team relies on for reporting. The goal is to make the problem record useful to everyone who will reference it later. If you're linking to an existing problem, search or browse the list and select the correct one. It helps to skim the summary and category to avoid accidental mismatches. Once you're sure it's the right problem, confirm the association. After linking, you'll see the associated problem displayed in the incident sidebar under Associations. This visual link makes it easy to jump between the incident and problem, keep updates synchronized, and ensure the right team is focused on root cause analysis. That's it. With this simple workflow, you'll maintain cleaner records, reduce duplicate troubleshooting, and give your team better visibility into what's really going on behind the scenes.